Have you ever pondered on what common traits the likes of Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, and Oprah Winfrey share? Besides being some of the wealthiest individuals in the world, what else sets them apart? One key factor that distinguishes these financial giants from others is their daily routines and financial practices that contribute to their success. Also, have you ever wondered what it takes to become a billionaire? While many may attribute their wealth to sheer luck or inheritance, the truth is that there are certain habits and practices that successful individuals have in common. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 7 billionaire secrets that you can learn from and apply in your own life to achieve financial success. So, whether you're just starting your journey toward financial freedom or looking to take your wealth building to the next level, keep watching to discover the secrets of the world's wealthiest individuals. Becoming rich and successful is everyone's dream. But becoming rich is not just about earning more money. How you plan each day, what habits you inculcate in your routine, how you maintain the work-life balance, what you do with your money, how you invest it, etc. are all equally important in your journey to becoming wealthy. Ultimately, you should control your wealth, not the other way around. Consider these tips that we're about to share with you, as they may pique your interest and lead you toward the path of becoming a millionaire someday. Who knows, with the right mindset and approach, you could be on your way to achieving financial success. Save first, spend later. According to Warren Buffett, buying unnecessary things will eventually force you to sell the things you truly need. That's why many wealthy individuals prioritize saving first and spending later. If you're struggling to save, it's time to stop making excuses such as low income, high expenses, or the YOLO, you only live once mentality. The key to saving is to make it a habit to save first and spend later. Begin by setting aside a portion of your income each month as savings, whether it's 20%, 30%, or 50%. The important thing is to be disciplined and committed to this habit. Remember, as your income increases, don't be tempted to spend more. Instead, increase the proportion of your savings to ensure you're building a strong financial foundation for the future. So, start saving first and watch your wealth grow over time. Make it a habit to write down your thoughts every day. Certainly, writing down your thoughts and experiences each day can have several benefits, both for your mental health and your personal growth. By taking the time to reflect on your day, you can gain valuable insights into your own behavior, thought patterns, and emotions. This can help you identify areas where you need to improve, or areas where you excel and should focus more of your attention. When you write by hand, you engage different parts of your brain than when you type on a keyboard. This can help you slow down and think more carefully about what you're writing, which can be especially helpful when you're trying to process difficult emotions or experiences. Plus, there's something satisfying about physically writing on paper that can help you feel more connected to your thoughts and experiences. Of course, you don't have to write by hand if you prefer to type. The important thing is to find a method that works for you and that you can commit to on a daily basis. Whether you choose to keep a private journal or a public blog, taking the time to reflect on your experiences and thoughts can be a powerful tool for personal growth and self-awareness. Incorporate the 30-day rule into your spending habits to avoid impulsive purchases. Have you ever found yourself making a spur-of-the-moment purchase, only to regret it a few days later? Maybe you were caught up in the excitement of a sale, or perhaps you were feeling down and thought buying something new would boost your mood. Whatever the reason, impulsive spending can have a negative impact on our finances and our overall well-being. That's where the famous 30-day rule comes in. The 30-day rule is a simple but effective technique that can help you avoid making impulsive purchases. Here's how it works. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something that isn't a necessity, wait for 30 days before making the purchase. During this time, take a step back and think about whether you really need the item or if it's just a passing fancy. Often, you'll find that after 30 days, the desire to buy the item has faded, and you're glad you didn't spend the money. This rule can be especially helpful for big-ticket items or things you don't need right away. To prevent impulsive buying, employ the 30-day rule by delaying the purchase for a month. This can be done by adding the item to your wish list, leaving it in your online shopping cart, or simply telling yourself that if you still want it after 30 days, you can go back and buy it. By doing so, you can avoid making irrational purchases, and the things you eventually purchase after 30 days are likely to be items you genuinely desire. So, if you're looking to save money and avoid buyer's remorse, give the 30-day rule a try. You never know, It could be the key to unlocking your path to financial success. Always remain a student of life. To continue growing and evolving in life, it's important to always maintain a student mentality. Life offers valuable lessons and experiences that can teach us something new every day. Being open and willing to learn can help us grow and succeed. The world is constantly changing, and everything from lifestyle to technology to science is subject to change. What you are knowledgeable or skilled in today may not be relevant tomorrow. Therefore, in order to keep evolving, the only option is to keep learning. Some of the most successful people in the world, such as Indra Nooyi and Warren Buffett, have stressed the importance of being a lifelong learner. Every day, life has something to teach, often in unexpected ways. All that's required is a sincere willingness to learn and grow as a student of life. Resist the obvious. Resisting the obvious means avoiding the conventional path of thinking or doing things. In simpler terms, it means challenging the status quo and stepping outside the box. This can lead to innovation, creativity, and fresh perspectives. The concept of resisting the obvious is not limited to any specific field or industry. It can be applied in personal as well as professional aspects of life. One of the biggest advantages of resisting the obvious is the ability to find new and better solutions to problems. By not accepting the commonly accepted solutions, individuals can uncover unique and more effective approaches. Additionally, resisting the obvious allows for greater personal growth and development. When individuals step outside their comfort zones, they are forced to face new challenges and learn new skills, leading to personal growth. However, resisting the obvious can be daunting and even uncomfortable. It requires taking risks and challenging the norm. It's important to remember that it's okay to make mistakes and experience failure. These experiences can lead to growth and new opportunities for learning. In conclusion, resisting the obvious can lead to new perspectives, innovation, personal growth, and more effective problem solving. While it can be challenging, it's important to step outside of your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. Read every day. Warren Buffett, a highly successful investor, once stated that the power of compounding interest is observed in just a few years. Similarly, knowledge also accumulates over time, similar to compound interest. Buffett attributes his reading habit to his success, as it helps him continuously expand his knowledge. Interestingly, a study found that 88% of wealthy people read for at least 30 minutes every day. Reading every day can be a valuable tool for personal growth and development. It is an opportunity to learn new things, gain insight into different perspectives, and expand one's knowledge base. Moreover, reading has been linked to reducing stress levels, improving cognitive function, and enhancing empathy. So, why not join the ranks of successful individuals and make reading a daily habit? Take a break, make yourself a cup of coffee, and let the avid reader inside you take charge. With countless books, articles, and resources available, there's no limit to what you can discover and learn. So, pick up a book, and get ready to explore the endless opportunities for personal growth and development. There's only one right time to invest now. The great Albert Einstein is reputed to have said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it, earn it, while those who don't, pay it. Yes, one of the biggest secrets of the rich and successful has been spilled. The magical power of compounding is something that has remained one of Warren Buffett's central principal investments. The sooner you begin investing, the more time and scope you allow for the magical power of compounding to work wonders for you in the long run. It is one of the most powerful weapons that every person who became rich swears by. Compounding increases your invested money's value by getting the interest earned added back to the principal and thereby generating exponentially greater returns. This especially works wonders over the long term. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our other videos and playlists for more great content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.